everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Wright's cooking channel. Today we're going to cook pork chops. We're going to cook them the Jamaican way.
While I'm working, cutting up the meat, get it ready for seasoning up, and I will just walk you through all of those processes.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay guys, this is the pork chop. I'm going to debone it and cut it up. Okay guys, I mostly do debone most of the meat. I may leave maybe 2 pieces of bone in it. Okay guys, I'm through. Now I'm gonna wash my meat. I'm gonna get a little vinegar and I'm gonna rinse it off again. Let me get the vinegar, guys. Okay guys, this is the vinegar and I'm gonna wash my meat with it. Okay guys, this is the process of the meat. That's the way how I cut it up. And I'm gonna season up the meat and I'm gonna walk you through everything. Okay guys, this is my onion. I'm gonna cut up some onion in it. And today I'm gonna do brown stew pork chop. My wife likes to eat onion. She likes the flavor of it also, so I love to cook with onion to please her.
Happy wife, happy life.
Okay, this is the sweet pepper. I'm gonna put a little sweet pepper into it. It's already washed up already. Okay guys, I'm gonna add a little salt now. I'm gonna measure the salt in my hand middle. Around 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna sprinkle it over here. And this is the salt, guys. This is the black pepper. I'm gonna sprinkle a little black pepper over it. Not much. Around a half a teaspoon. And this is the free salt seasoning. I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit over it as well. Half a teaspoon. This is the garlic powder. Half a teaspoon as well. And this is a makeup food flavor. I'm just gonna put a little into this.
It's called accent.
I don't normally use these things. My wife just like to have a taste of it. And this is the onion powder. Just a half a teaspoon. Because I'm not cooking a whole lot of meat today. Because if I'm doing catering, a big catering, I will walk you through all of those. But I'm just doing a small cooking today.
What's that you're using?
I'm using browning. Now guys, this is a Grace product from Jamaica. And the name of it is browning. But you have to just use a little bit of it, like a cork full of it. It all depends. Your judgment have to be very good on it. Because it helps the meat to get it colors. Color up the meat, in other words. And now I'm gonna mix up everything together. I'm gonna let the seasoning set in the meat. And this is the process. So a lot of people don't know that pork chop can be brown stew, and most of them only used to it knowing that it can be fried and fry the whole pork chop, but it can be stewed, and I'm gonna show you the process. Now guys, I'm gonna get my skillet. I'm gonna turn my stove on, which my wife already did. And I'm gonna grease my pot bottom with a little oil. Around 2 teaspoons of oil. Because I don't use a lot of oil. So the skillet getting ready to hot, and this is my onion. I'm gonna cut up some onion in it and make it fry. Now guys, I'm gonna cut up a few little carrots into the meat, into the skillet. And this is the process. I'm walking you through it bit by bit. Okay guys, I'm just gonna stir it a little. Guys, I'm gonna put the meat into the skillet now. Okay guys, I'm gonna let it catch a little color, and then I'm gonna, after it catches color, I'm gonna overturn it. At this moment the fire is on high, and as soon as I overturn it, I'm gonna turn it down to 6, because I'm gonna make this meat steam and cook slowly for the next 45 minutes. But I'm going to walk you through the process. I'm just going to make it get some color and then turn it over. Now guys, I'm going to turn the meat over. And as you can see, it catches a little color. I'm not going to throw no water into this meat. I'm going to make it sweat its way through and cook for at least 45 minutes or an hour. Well, some people cook different. Some people would have put the meat first in the pot and then cut the carrot over it. But it can be done both ways. And you don't have to put carrot in it. I just like to eat a lot of cabbage and carrot, etc., etc. And it's very good for you. And we'll be back.
Okay, now that the meat is catching a little color, we're gonna turn it down a little bit, and then we're gonna put the lid on it and let the meat sweat and cook.
Okay guys, I'm gonna put the lid on it. I'm gonna turn on the stove temperature to 6, and it's gonna slowly cook. It's gonna sweat and make its own gravy. So I don't need that to add water into the pot. And if you can see, it starts sweating its own water, and in 45 minutes it slowly cook. It gives a good flavor. I don't use flour to make gravy in nothing.
You just use vegetables and the gravy from the meat, and that's how it's done.
Yes, my wife know all of my cooking, because as you know, I'm a Jamaican and I know my stuff.
All right, right now we're gonna lift the lid and we're gonna show you. It's been 15 minutes and we're gonna show you what we got so far.
Okay guys, the lid have been lifted and look at this. Look at this guy. It's sweaty to on the water. So that's what we're gonna steam it and cook it.
And it's gonna be so tender and nice.
Yeah.
Once it get done cooking.
And as soon as it get done cooking, I'll show you the process. And this can be eaten with rice, white rice, rice and peas, dumpling, potato, Irish potato, yam, mashed potato. It can eat with so many things. It's a good slow cooking dish.
All right, we'll be back.
Yep.
We're back.
Okay guys, now the process is through. We never add no water to this meat. And see the gravy here? This is what the gravy look like. Good gravy. And we're about to eat.
Over the rice. A little gravy over the rice.
Okay. Okay guys, now that the process is through and we're about to eat, we're going to bless the food. Give God thanks for it. So let us pray. Father, we thank you for this day. We thank you for your grace and your mercy. As we're about to eat, oh God, let it be nourishment for our body. Keep us and guide us. Remember us through all crises, oh God. And remember your people. In no other name but your Son, Jesus Christ, we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Now, let me just show you something, guys. This is dumpling. And one of these days, I'm going to walk you through the process of it. It's flour. And whenever you go and eat it, you just cut it like this. And then it's ready to go with your meat. And this is the meat. Let me show you the meat. It's good. This is the meat. Do you want some? Have some. Thank you guys. Now I'm about to eat. Me and my wife.
Okay. And this is mine. I have a little rice with gravy on it, sweet potato. I have one dumpling and my good looking meat that my husband steamed. It's really, really good.
So good, guys.
Taste mine. It's really tender. So good.
We only have carrot today as our vegetable because we did not make as much vegetable.
We find cabbage. We always eat that, and sweet potato. I'm drinking pink grapefruit juice, and that behind it. Delicious looking food. Look at it. Wow. And it's nice and tender. We want to thank everybody for coming back to our channel and watching us cook these meals. We just ask that you like, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful Sunday afternoon. God bless you all.
Goodbye.